How you guys doing? I'm Andy, my social trace.
And I'm Sarah.
And today, basically got ran over, 13% loss?
Yep. 13%.
Got ran over today with a 13% loss, guys.
Yep. By ASLN.
ASLN, yep. ASLN had news?
They did have news. Their first set of news was that they they reported positive data from its proof of concept study of ASLN 004. And then the bad news.
Yeah, then the bad news. The bad news came just as I got in, just at market open, that they have an offering.
Yeah.
And I got flushed out pretty quickly.
Yeah, flushed out.
And
it's a good
sad,
thing.
too. Well, good that I got out.
Yeah, that's what I mean by that.
And sad because I just worked pretty hard to get nearly my daily profit target.
Yeah, you did.
I was only, I was pretty close.
Yeah, pretty
like
close.
90% or something.
Oh, yeah, you were like 90%. And then ASLN happened.
And then flushed out. So,
Yeah.
What else did we trade?
Today, we also traded AKTX. AKTX had news. They had a pivotal phase 3 trial design of nomacopin in pediatric hematopoietic stem cell transplant related thrombotic microangiopathy following FDA meeting.
Yeah, that one I basically I'd seen it at the beginning of its move, and I wanted to grab it. I did grab it, but it was just I was really not sure about where this was going, but every time I grabbed it, it went down and sort of hit me a little bit, and then it would as soon as I would sell, it would fly up even further. So I would get a nice little chunk, but could have got a much bigger chunk. Could have
got a bigger chunk, but at least you did pretty good on it. So.
But it was hard work though, because if you get in and it's not just easy, if you're not put right into profit, and you gotta sit there and sort of wait it out, like I did on this 3 times actually. I think it was like that, and I didn't learn my lesson any time. I just kept grabbing it the same way, getting hit the same way. And,
yep.
So it was basically I was feeling like, oh man, this is a lot of work, and then all of a sudden, boom, all my profits gone.
Yeah, but we also traded BIMI. BMI had news. Their shares were trading higher after the company announced it would acquire Shanging Ganzan Technology for RMB 100 million.
Yeah, BIMI, basically I shouldn't have even traded it. It was just crazy trading it, but I do like to trade some crazy stocks sometimes that people probably shouldn't be trading, and the price action was just wicked, whippy, fast, and I grabbed it, got my profit, and got out.
Right,
got away.
It was a cool, good trade though.
I mean, a second of good trading is still a second of good trading.
Yeah, and that's about what it was, because you were in and out before you even knew it.
I was in and out. Like, she didn't even know I was trading BIMI until it was done.
What'd you just do?
And then there's the saving grace.
Oh, AQST.
AQST and ONTX.
Yeah, AQST had news. There was, they submitted a new drug application to the FDA for Libervant. And then they also have a film for management of seizure clusters. Yeah,
this one, it was just popped up, had some price action I could grab at that moment real quick. I did. But then ONTX, it just kept pushing up resistance.
Oh yeah, ONTX was pretty nifty there.
I didn't really want to mess around with ONTX at resistance, but it just kept on, pulling down a little bit and then pushing and breaking and making new highs. So I took a little bit of it. It was my saving grace, because we went from like negative 15% up to 25% of our daily profit target today.
Yeah.
Maybe like 24% of our daily profit target.
Yeah, so turned out good. Today turned out good. Even it's always awesome when we can recover our losses.
Yeah, I actually think today was better than most days, because we recovered. Not only did we recover, we managed that loss well.
Yeah, we sure did.
I mean, getting washed out, that thing could have been so much worse, guys.
Yeah, it could have been worse.
I mean, do you see like the daily, like how far this thing had to fall down and could have? Yeah. It did. I mean, it is. I don't know if it is right now, but it did crush down quite a bit, though.
Sure did. It did crush down, and because after that offering, I'm sure that it's probably still sucking.
And this, guys, is why you need a good news source like Benzinga. You need something that lets you know as soon as they know that there's an offering,
Oh, yeah, because, as soon as that news comes out, it's down.
I mean, I don't know how many times, like, some rapid price action comes in, and I didn't really know what was going on. And, now with Benzinga, you can literally type in your stock into that feed, and anything that comes out new on that stock, it's going to pop up right there.
It's so easy. There's nothing easier than Benzinga, honestly.
And that's the thing. It's really easy. So, you know, this is really why. And if you're interested, the link's in the description. Coupon code all caps Mighty Soldiers for 25% off. Yep. But you know, if it isn't for you, that's fine also. But I'm telling you, you know, if you're trading like we are every day, you need to have a good news source. And I don't know anybody who compares that you could even
There's no
go
comparison.
to.
There's not.
Yeah, honestly. So.
Nobody, because they give you everything. They give you everything, every bit of news that comes out on that stock. I know for like FinViz doesn't.
And not only do they give you everything, we got Charlie that comes up in the squawk. Well, we're going to talk about this in another video, guys.
Yeah.
But, you know, we love Benzinga, as you can see.
Yeah,
so.
Benzinga's awesome. They're great.
But anyways, that's that for us today. That's our day. Like, so up and then down, losing, and then back into the green.
Yep.
So, you know,
Green day.
Starting December off green.
Yeah.
When the market's starting it off red.
Oh yeah, because China trade talks.
Yeah.
Technology
and
stuff.
and everything else that's
every time Trump
construction and
construction
is down and
yeah.
stuff like that. So, anyways, thanks again. I'm Andy, Mighty Soldiers Trades. Thanks for joining us.
I'm Sarah. Come check us out.
Check us out.
Hi, I'm Sarah with Mighty Soldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.